I mean, I can envision a scenario where that happens. I actually strangely hope it doesn't happen because I think there's a political risk to having a situation where a double-digit percentage of small businesses in America file for bankruptcy while the stock market takes out new record highs. I really think that would be an uglier scenario than a slow but steady recovery, even if that means stocks get held back and the next coronavirus stimulus gets aimed more toward Main Street and more toward non-public businesses. But let's talk about this earnings comeback. So FactSet right now has consensus at something like 40% drop in earnings for Q2, which would be one of the most disastrous single quarters in American history, if not the worst. But then Q3 is only down 23%, and Q4 is still down 11.5%. So that is a 19% drop full year 2020 for S&P 500 earnings. The good news is, whether it's back-end or front-end loaded, they have 2021 at plus 26%. If you believe those numbers, then every stock in the market is collectively a buy right now. I don't know if I do. I understand that the companies that are going to have the least trouble with an earnings recovery are the biggest companies in the indices. I get that. I just think we might be overstating the degree to which technology and consumer discretionary stocks are immune. So I do think things like the ad budgets of Facebook and Google are not as rock solid as maybe we hoped. I do think a lot of this front-end loaded shopping for consumer items might lead to a down quarter following once we've decided all of our homes are stocked up on these items for a long time. So we have to think about the bear case as well. We can't just have this idea that the big five out of Silicon Valley are going to save the whole market. I just have trouble seeing that being the outcome come December.
Yeah. At some point, you have enough toilet paper and Cheerios, right? I mean, it's kind of what you're saying. Right? Joe. I don't think your Amazon order will be as big next month as it was last month.
Yeah, no, I don't think that's controversial.
I hear you. I mean, it makes sense.